Tamboli from Team Nature Bodies, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh, India. And like every year, this year as well, we are going to celebrate UNCCT Desertification and Drought Day on 17th June 2020. And this time we are celebrating it with our Seed Ball initiative. Our team is working to perform this seed ball initiatives from long before, and step by step we are improvising it so that many people can understand it and can adopt it very easily. The theme of this year's desertification and drought day is food, feed, fiber, because now everyone knows that due to the rapid urbanization, increase in growth of population has led to various sort of invasion of chemical fertilizers, and that causes a lot of damage to the nutrition part of the soil, and that is causing indirect damage to our health, because now it's the time when our body has residence of more chemicals than nutrients. So that is a very harmful part for us, and we need to change that. So keeping this factor in mind, and also to increase the green coverage of our planet, because due to deforestation as well, the greenery is getting lost. So to keeping these two objectives in mind, we are conducting this seed ball initiative where we'll prepare seed balls and plant them in the places where there is barren lands and the ecosystem is not that much green, and we'll make bring greenery in that places, so that those places will be full of greenery in the coming times, and we all can cherish its beauty. So let's get our hand dirty and let's play with soil to grow with nature.
So let's explore the way how our team prepares the seed balls. And the first step for it is we need to collect the raw materials. So the raw materials includes the vermicompost, the seeds, and a clay soil with little bit extract of sand in it. And we also require water. So this is the basic raw materials that we require and minimum to prepare the seed balls. In case you don't have the vermicompost, you can use the wood ash or the dried cow dung powder also to mix with soil and prepare your seed balls.
In second step, we have to mix the vermicompost, clay and water together, and for good ball we have to keep the consistency in mind. It should not be too wet or too dry.
For this, take equal quantity of vermicompost and clay soil, 50% of vermicompost and 50% of clay soil. And we start mixing. At first we mix the soil and the vermicompost in dry state so that it becomes a homogeneous mass. Now we add water to the homogeneous mass.
Step 3. Making of the balls. We take this prepared soil to make the balls, and we need to roll it between our palms to convert it into a circle or round like shape. So this is the third step. Step 4. Inserting of the seeds inside this prepared ball. We need to tap it from our thumb, and then we insert this seed inside it, and again roll it between our palms to prepare these seed balls. And keep in mind thing that the size of the seed ball will depend on the size of the seeds. Let it to dry till then it gets tightened, and then after it is ready to be planted. So in this desertification and drought day, let's make our steps count.
So this is our seed ball initiative. We hope that you liked it and you surely will adopt it. So with the conduction of this seed ball initiative, we are having a challenge for you as well, which we call as Green Earth Challenge. And in this we are making seed balls, and we'll find a place where we can bury these seed balls, and then we'll see them grow with coming time. So we at this time also want you to take up this challenge to make seed balls on your own, and to find place where plantation can be done in form of seed ball burying. Sow them and see how nature holds of itself and develops greenery.